So in this video I want to show you how to unprotect a photo so you can delete it or erase it from your camera, Canon, whatever model, doesn't really matter, they're all the same procedure. So if you go to your playback settings, then click on select the OK by pressing the set, and then select this again by pressing the set, then select images. As you can see on the top, there is a key symbol appeared, means that this is protected. So if you press set again, that key is gone, and this is also key is there. So let's leave that, and we have already removed from this. So if you select on menu and then select on here to view the pictures, if you remember, I have remove the key symbol from the top. So if you would now try to delete it or erase it, you should do it. And so let's see, it's got erased, and I don't remember which one, but one was protected. So if I would try to erase this, this was erased, it's okay. Let's try this, this was erased, and this was protected. You see, so this picture was protected, so you can't erase it. So you need to follow the same procedure to erase this picture if you want it. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, don't forget to share, subscribe, and put a thumbs up. See you next time. Cheers, bye.